So hello guys, welcome to Techno Expert. Today I'm here with another video of Autocad. I've already uploaded two videos in about Autocad on my channel. You can check the playlist. So today I will be teaching about how to draw 3D or how to have a 3D modeling in Autocad. You must be thinking that Autocad is only used for 2D. Yes, but 3D is also available in the Autocad. Now how? Let me show you. In the down you can see this option. Here are multiple options that you can see. Okay, so from here here you can see that there are multiple options that you can use. So what do you have to do? From this arrow you will see that it's written 3D modeling. You have to select it. As I selected, it will change its options according to the 3D modeling. Then from the top you can select box. For example, first I will draw something. I am drawing this box. Okay. Now for 3D, for the 3D has three dimensions. So to have three dimensions, you need to look. Sorry, again I will add. This is. And hide. Okay. So now this is a box. Now if you want to see this in the 3D, in the 3D, let me show you. First you will type in command which is orbit. It's ORBIT, orbit. As I selected, now it's in 3D. As you can see that it's in 3D, right? So now you can see that it's now it is in 3D. It looks very beautiful. So it is a box. Now now I can even exclude. Exclude means you can now this is the 3D modeling. Now from here I can select even more. This is actually in 2D wireframe. I can even use it realistic. Now you can see that again orbit option. This is called a 3D model. Now this is a box. You can even create entire house. For example, you can draw the base of the house using the 2D drawing, and then after that you can click on the 3D option, and then you can extrude to make it according to 3D drawing. This is just an example. Okay, now there are also multiple options. You can either use X-ray. Okay, X-ray. You can even use shades of gray. Now this is just an example. There are also many options. You can even change the side views, the views from this option, unshade views. For this, yes, there are multiple options of checking the view. I hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe, share, like my channel.